Hello, my name is Evan Connolly and the book I am reviewing is Launch by Jeff Walker. Jeff Walker used to be a stay-at-home dad before launching his first business in 1996. Today, Walker is an expert in the online business world. He realized that the internet offered the opportunity for anyone to start a business. It was cheap, there were no set hours, and could be done from any location that had internet access. He now teaches new entrepreneurs how to be successful in selling products or services online. This book was very informative on the field of e-commerce. Walker goes through his product launch formula to guide the reader down the road to a successful launch. He also provides various examples of businesses that he has either created or helped with to prove the success of his strategies. One lesson that I learned while reading this book is to engage your market before you launch or even have your product. By sending out emails to potential customers, you prepare them for the launch. The purpose of this is to build anticipation among consumers to the point where they are begging you for the product. Another lesson that I learned is the power that an email list has on the online world. By having a list of potential customers, one has the ability to create a payday on demand as long as they have a product worth buying. It is also important to have a list to update loyal customers about new products. List building is so important that Walker began building lists before he created his first website. A third lesson that I learned from this book is the importance of building a business around your launches. Walker did not give up once his first successful launch was over. Instead, he continued to launch new products, further growing his business to what it is today. Along with teaching about launches, he also helps individuals to build a business around their launches, because he knows there will be more than one launch in a lifetime. I would recommend this book to any entrepreneur who is looking to start an online business. Jeff Walker is an expert on the subject, and this book is an excellent resource to use. It is easy to follow and has had proven success from hundreds of different people and products. Thank you for following along my review of Launch by Jeff Walker. If you are interested in the book, it can be found online for purchase.